Hey guys, I'm sorry I've been out. Well, let me just, I know I haven't uploaded a video in a while. I've been busy trying to prepare to get all my stuff shipped to Nigeria. This is not an easy process. I've decided today to kind of get everything organized. I got to move some bins around, and I'm going to go through the details of how I organize everything. Let me cut down the radio before I get copyright. I was listening to some gospel music. If anybody know about some Tasha Cobbs. Let me just cut it down just a little bit. All right, so yeah, I'm in the middle trying to pack and load up all these bins. I got some more bins here and some more bins over here that's empty. These are the ones that I'm going to be taking with me on the plane, because there are some specific items that I want to have available once I arrive to Niger. So I got the Bluetooth speaker in here. Let me move it. Okay, so yeah, my apartment is a little bit of a mess right now, and on top of that, I'm trying to cook some. Has anyone ever cooked these 15 bean soups? I really like it. It comes with a little seasoning pack, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I throw in my own seasoning because I like to play around with different flavors. This is a little bit of my seasoning here. I have a whole bunch more. Yeah, so, and I like to stew my tomatoes. They ask for canned stewed tomatoes, but I like to make my own fresh. So they had a sale at Walmart for 50 cents a pound for Roman tomatoes. So I bought 4 pounds. Of course, you know how it cooks down and it makes its own juice. So I stew some tomatoes to cook with the beans. I'm going to slow cook it in my crock pot that is heating up. Oh, it is hot. Heating up. I put this 15 beans. I said 16, 15 beans. I've already sliced up my mushrooms. I like to add I add vegetables to my mushrooms, carrots, squash, zucchini. Look how beautiful that looks. Some bell pepper, onions, and some garlic that I rough chop. I'm thinking about adding some potatoes in there. I'm not 100% sure. They had these on sale for 68 cents a pound, so I bought 2. I might just keep these for breakfast in the morning or something like that. Oh yeah, I gotta put some bay leaves in there. Some bay leaves. Yeah, so yeah, I'm in the middle of that. Let me see if I can flip it around. I'm trying to flip the camera around, but it won't let me flip. Anyways, I am going to do a time lapse on this video because it's going to be a little bit time consuming, but I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to pack up everything and organize it, and keep a notepad on each bin. Each bins have numbers on them, so that when it's shipped, I'll know what's in. I would know pretty much what is in each of the bins, so that I can keep an inventory of my items. I had to move because of the speaker, but yeah, I'm gonna put the video on pause so I can put my soup together, and then once I'm finished with my soup, I am going to show pretty much me how I'm organizing everything, and I'm going to finish loading up the empty bins and reorganizing some of the bins. All right, see you in a few. During this time lapse, I'm going to play a song that my father wrote called A Choir Rejoice, and this song was performed with his wife, my stepmother, and I believe my siblings as well. Another subscriber asked me to play the song some months ago, about 6 or 8 months ago, and I forgot to play it. So I want to play it at this time This is a song that I listen to kind of lift up my spirits about my repatriation journey to Nigeria, and also thinking of the memories that I have of my father and all that he have endured and tried to accomplish while he was there in Akwa Ibom, excuse me. So I hope you guys enjoy.
A new generation has come around, taking us to the promised land. Can you see? A new generation come around, taking us to the promised land. Can you see? And the spirit is on you, yeah. I just will above you, yeah. I just will a governor, you. And you need my cry over you, you. I just will above you, yeah. I just will a governor, you. And you need my cry over you, you. People rise down, now wake up. People wake up from your slumber. No more sleeping in this Babylon. No more slavering in this Babylon. The spirit on you, yeah. The spirit in the Babylon. And no more toiling in this Babylon. No more slavery in this Babylon. No more slavery in this Babylon. Take your destiny in your holy hand. Waking up from your slumber, yeah, yeah, you won't see the light of God. And the spirit on you, yeah. The will of God is in the cry of man. Can you see? And the spirit on you, yeah. I just will abide you, yeah. I just will a governor, yeah. And yet he might cry over you, I just will abide you, yeah. I just will a governor, yeah. And yet he might cry over you, A new generation has come around. A new generation can do it for us. Waking up from your slumber, take your destiny in your hand. People are quiet, but it's time to wake up and now. I got sleep money, I got still a party, yeah. I got still a governor, yeah. Hey, any man quiet over yet. I got still a party, yeah. I got still a governor, yeah. Hey, any man quiet over yet. No more envy, no more quarreling, and just come together and love each other. No more fighting in our private life. No more quarreling in this golden life. A Bible line. I got sweet money on the world. There's a Bible line. Love each other in the Bible line. I got sweet money on the world. I come together now. I got sweet money on the world. There's a Bible line.
Hey guys, I'm back. It's later this evening. I kind of stopped packing everything because I got tired. But I'm checking up on my bean soup. So I figured I'll put it in the video what it looks like. Put my finger all over the camera. Okay, so this is it right here. I'm gonna cut the temperature down to warm. Let me do that. Well, no, let me to low because I still want it. I want the beans to cook down just a little bit more, where it makes its own little gravy. It kind of thickens up a bit. I like it a little thick. And don't get me wrong, I've tried it like this with it. Because this is a soup, and it has a nice little soupiness to it. And I've already had a small little bowl, and it was amazing. But I'm going to add the zucchini now, because I don't like my zucchini too soft. I don't like it overcooked. I want a little crunchiness to it, right? So I'm going to go ahead, put that in there, so that, and that's gonna, this is not gonna take long to cook at all. But I'm gonna let this sit here overnight. And let it do its thing in here. I'm sorry if the camera is kind of like, I'm holding it with one hand, and then the other I'm trying to, you know, get everything in there. I think I should put it on warm since I'm going to bed now. So I'm tired. I've been packing up all day. So I didn't put the potato in there. I decided I'm gonna keep that for, sorry, put my finger over it again. I made some tea, some blackberry ginger tea, and I made a lot of it. My refrigerator, there's hardly nothing in here because I'm moving, and there's no sense of me buying a lot. But yeah, I made a lot of tea. Let me put my finger over there, you see all that? I reuse bottles. That's in all of the bottles. So, yeah, got that in there. That's it, guys. I'm going to bed. See you guys later. I'm going to try my best to upload some videos, but this move is a lot. It's very taxing. It's very stressful, and I'm going through a lot of emotional stress. You know, leaving family and friends behind, and I'm sure you can understand. But I'll talk with you guys later. See ya. Bye.